Hi everybody, Cashel wanted to show you what he was doing tonight with his evening. Tonight his evening is he put a fish tank on his computer and is terrorizing the kitten. And he's getting hours of enjoyment out of watching the kitten trying to get the fish on his computer. That's funny, huh, Cashel? You like terrorizing the cat? Gonna switch to another scene? Oh, that's great. So that's what Cashel's doing tonight. Everybody have a great night. Say bye.